Welcome guys, day 2 of the project, and over here we have the Swift with a with a trailer that's bigger than the complete Swift. But over here we have a crazy guy with his 240, crazy. And yesterday was a very busy day. I took the complete car apart and that went very well. Over here I have an engine crane, just picked it up this morning with the trailer behind the Swift, and yeah, let's go. Over here we have the engine, we have the crane set up, and we are lifting the engine. Well, not yet, but we are gonna take out the engine mount right now, and with this gonna disconnect the drive shaft that's still connected to the gearbox. Let's see under here. Over here it's still connected, so he needs to disconnect that one and then loosen this bolts, this one, and those two over there. And when those are all loose, including this 15mm nut over there, and yes, it's leaking some oil, that's not very good. But if this 15mm thing is loose, and I think these are 14, then this drive shaft can be disconnected, also 14mm bolts, and then this complete thing can go out. And yeah, then we can lift the engine. Ladies and gentlemen, it's finally out. We have my B23A, of course, Volvo engine over here. Volvo is over there. This is taking the interior out so we can get to all the places we need to weld. And yeah, we have the engine here. We worked the rest off, and yeah, we did it. So it's out. We already drained the oil, and I can actually show you guys because I got some paint filters. This is a very handy thing. If you think about your metal shavings, these things are filtering to 190 microns. So this is a very nice filter. And as you can see in there, there is a tiny bit of dirt. But that was everything to the last drop of oil that came out of my engine. So in the oil, I'm not seeing anything that will scare me in the future. And the thing we need to do now is take this engine apart. We will do that in the next episode. So for today, we took the engine out. Yesterday, we disconnected everything. You saw in the time lapse. Hello, Issa.
Hi.
And yeah, this is it. Engine is completely, well, the engine bay is completely free. We already have the new beam in. I don't know where it is. I think it's over here or something. Where's the new beam? Oh, there it is. Over here we have the new cross member, so we can weld that in. Yeah, that's well, that's everything for today, I think. We have a very nice blank canvas, and we need to take out the brake booster cylinder. You need to take out the line that you use for your rear window wiper fluid. We don't use that either. So that's going out. Maybe we can still fix the window wiper. That would be very nice. But yeah, for now we just keep it like this. We need to clean all this thick goo, and it is like so crazy thick. As you can see, that's like 2-3 millimeters of stuff we need to get off there. So this will be a very big job. I got a new angle grinder, I got some wire cutting wheels and stuff, and we will get every piece of little dirt and everything out of here. Then we are gonna take the fenders off. We are gonna paint this complete engine bay in the factory original 189-2 color, and then we will put in the brand new rebuild, well, not actually rebuilt, but the cylinder head is going to be rebuilt. We have a very very nice refurbished manifold going on here. As you can see, this one is coming on here, and yeah, this is a whole lot nicer than the old thing. We are gonna paint this one nice and silver, And then the carburetor will be polished. We are gonna spray paint the valve cover in a nice anodized red. The engine block is gonna be sprayed in, well, painted in Volvo Röd. Yeah, it's called Röd, because in Sweden they don't say red, they say Röd. And yeah, that's actually everything for today. So yeah, this project is going very, very, very well. I like how it's going, and I want you guys to be part of it, and I want you guys to take Rolling Heritage to the next level. And I want to make Rolling Heritage a very nice, informative YouTube channel to help you guys out work on your car. If you have any questions about your Volvo 240, if you want to see more videos about a particular subject or anything, leave it down in the comments and we will get to work on making that happen. And for today, we are signing off. So this is the car, and we will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and on to the next video. Make sure you subscribe.